Good evening. I am Sudarshan Sukhani and today is 7th April 2022 Thursday. We discussed the Nifty view for tomorrow and if possible for the next few days. Today I have applied two charts on the screen. Both the charts are Nifty end of day charts, candlesticks. So they are absolutely same. The only difference is that in the lower chart I have applied a zero lag moving average and in the upper chart here I have applied a momentum indicator with the bands. Why have I done this? The answer is very simple. This is a fast zero lag moving average. It changes its trend very fast. See, yesterday it was rising, today it has slowly turned down. This tells us that some kind of loss of momentum has taken place as far as this fast zero lag moving average is concerned. Let's look at this one. The momentum indicator continues to rise. That is because the momentum indicator is a little slower than the fast zero lag moving average. If the market trend is choppy or down, perhaps it will turn down tomorrow or on Monday. The message that we are getting is that the market is now entering some kind of a consolidation. That is told because this moving average has turned down, and that is also told because we have two downside gaps and three black candles, and the gap up that had taken place on the HDFC Bank merger has been completely filled. So this is the status of the chart. But what is the view then? The view is that we are entering some kind of a consolidation now. This is the low, 17,623. We will round it off to 17,600. So any move below 17,600 is a short selling opportunity intraday, and any move above 17,800, today's high was 787, so we round it off to 17,800. Any move above this becomes an intraday buying opportunity. Now within these 200 points there will be opportunities for buying and selling intraday. That is also possible, but the big move will come above this 17,800 or below 17,600. So I am not discussing the intraday techniques. I am sure you will understand it, or maybe we will do it in some separate video. But the view remains that we are entering some kind of a consolidation. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great trading day. Jai Hind.